All right, we're back on the containers. We're still moving them around, but we can't get the front ones to move. We have to get these stationary so we can pull to them. What he's doing, notice he ground right there on that bottom of that beam. He's making a good spot for our ground wire. And right here, he's grinding and chipping. They've got a little bit of concrete on top of this plate. You want to make sure you're pretty clear so that when you weld, you get a good solid weld in. We're gonna weld these down, the shipping container. We're gonna weld the shipping container down, and then that'll give us something that we can hook the other shipping container to and pull them together. This is a nifty little thing we got. It's a little magnetic connector for the ground. It's really handy working on these containers. He has we're going to use first to weld it down, we're going to use a 6013, is that correct?
6011.
A 6011. We're going to weld it down to container. We're going to weld the shipping container to the plate with a 6011, and then we're going to come back over that weld and cover it with a 7018 to make it a good solid sealed weld. We pull these two. This is the two shipping containers you saw us moving with the jack. We've got them moved. See how close they are on the line? These shipping containers, we have to pull the two over here, these two in the back. I have to pull those forward. They're going to have to come forward to this one we're welding down. And then I have two more shipping containers over here that as soon as he gets this one welded down, we're going to pull these two to that shipping container, just so that nothing else moves. Once you start squaring things off, you want to keep these shipping containers as straight as you can and weld as good as you can to keep it sealed up good. As you notice, we're going to have to weld some here on this end. We're going to weld a piece of plate, and that's how we're going to seal this part of the shipping container. We're just going to weld a piece of plate over that, and it'll seal that up.